Rain a fall, breeze a blow. Chicken body out the door. Greetings. Greetings, loves. The rain is falling and I am so grateful because I so asked for this rain because my water tank was so empty. I asked for this rain. I said I really need this rain, and here it is. You know, sometimes you ask for things, you just have to be patient and have confidence that it will come. Trust me, I really needed this water. So it looks like it's gonna rain cats and dogs, mouse and rats today, you know, and it probably won't be any beach day, possibly, but this is Portland, so it can rain 1 minute and sun can be bright as ever the next, but I give thanks, you know, I give thanks. My morning face is not showable, but greetings, loves. I hope you're doing good. I'm here enjoying the country rain in Portland, Jamaica, and giving thanks. When we were kids, we used to play in the rain. Even like teenagers, we used to bathe in the rain and stuff like that. And now we're adults, we're afraid of going out there or hesitant. Funny thing is, kids had more fun. They hardly had fear. You know, just that they just be, and they had so much fun. I think we need to take a little page out of their books, you know. But I'm wishing you a great day. A great day. And I'm here giving thanks.